So what I'm going to do today is replace the bulbs, standard bulbs that comes in this car, and put one of these LED bulbs in here. I have two of them, and hopefully these are a lot brighter. So let's give this a try. Here's a closer look at the bulb. A 76 Toyota Corona. There's a lot of cars that run these types of lights. At least this style down here in the bottom. So we're going to change out the brakes for this LED style bulb. Should be just a plug and play type of thing. You just take the old one out and replace it with this new one. So what I got to do is take these Phillips screws, and I should have easy access to this panel inside where the bulb is housed in. Wow, look how old and cruddy this thing is. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 bulbs in here, and I'm just going to replace the main one right here. I need to get some more for these other ones, but I think one of these is for the reverse light. Maybe this one right here. But I'll just replace the main brake light right here, and this is a turn signal light right here. I think that's correct. This is a turn signal. I'm not going to replace that one, just going to replace this main brake one, brake bulb right here. Alright, so what you got to do is push down on it, and then twist it, and then pull it out. So putting it back is the same. What you do is just push it in and then twist it. Need my other hand though. Here we go. Here's the brake light. This is a lot brighter than the standard bulb. That's a standard bulb right there, and that is the new LED bulb right there. Should be a lot brighter at night. So now just got to put the screws back in. Alright, so this is the new bulb and this is the old bulb. A lot brighter. And now to do this side. So same setup over here. I'm going to replace this bulb with the new LED bulb, and I may just check and see which other bulb works, and I know this one works, so if this one works and one of the other ones don't, I'll probably just replace it with this. So the lights are on, and the only one that works right now is this one right here, so this is going to be replaced anyway, so I think I'm good just replacing that one. You can definitely see now the intensity of the light. This is a lot brighter than this one, just a standard bulb, and this is the new LED bulb. Let's put this back in. What I'll probably end up doing is cleaning these lands out. Yeah, this is all cracked, very old. So yeah, for now this will work. I'll eventually replace these bulbs also with the LED bulbs. Later.